MX Live, MX24 TV, music, entertainment, conversations, interactions, nothing but the absolute best when it comes to these things, because you guys, you inspire us to keep on bringing you the best. And I was actually having a conversation with the team today, and looking through the first 6 months of the year, halfway through the year, it's been an incredible journey so far. And I and the team, the TV station, everything we do here, we're promising you, we're bringing you nothing but the best when it comes to these conversations, right? When it comes, again, to these interactions, your feedback, how we can be even more interactive. We're bringing you nothing and promising you nothing but the absolute best. But with interactions, of course, can't do that by myself. We need your feedback, always, MX24GH, every single platform, I always say, on X, on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok. Please bring us your feedback, right? In terms of the conversations you want us to have, in terms of the artists and the creatives you want us to have the conversations with, from our morning shows, from our sports shows, from MX Live to Broken Pen, and every single activity we're part of out there. I just want you guys to know we appreciate you so, so much. So in terms of our appreciation today, is no exception when it comes to the conversation we're going to have. I am super, super, super excited. I have Chief One. I think it's been close to a year since I spoke to him. And just like he promised me then, he's still releasing music back to back. He's got music videos, a new song with one of the biggest artists in Ghana right now. And, well, it's going to be an interesting conversation. So as always, please sit back, relax, enjoy. I'm getting straight to our first conversation. We'll be right back. Man, it's always a blessing, to see artists. And obviously, when you're talking to them on such a public platform, right, it's an artist, it's a businessman, but behind the scenes, you tend to build relationships with these creatives. Even though you don't see yourselves as much or you don't talk as much, it's always great to see the growth. Now, this guy is one guy who, in our last conversation, I remember both on and off, was like, bro, I'm going to be doing big things, man. The songs I have out there, but it's going to be crazy. And the interesting thing is I had heard his music, but I didn't know he had such a crazy fan base. I have Chief One in the studio. And bro, as soon as you came in here today, right, yeah, you got so much love.
Yes.
Everybody was mentioning him. Like my director right now, he's saying, oh, Charlie, that's my guy, that's my guy. Naturally, I'm supposed to welcome you, yes, but I just want to know, because this is your home already.
Yeah, this is my home. You got
how does it feel,
this is my fourth
man?
time here, right?
Yeah, bro, like, how does it feel? Like, all this love, rightly so. Welcome to the show,
Thank you, big man. Thank you, Jason. Number one.
Bro, how does it feel, man?
Like dream come true. Love, you can't buy it.
Yeah.
You have to work for it.
Yeah. You said something similar, right? When you came
back,
in.
like
yeah,
some 2 years ago.
Yeah,
the same thing. So it's all love, I'm not better than anybody. You understand? They just love me and I love them back.
Yeah.
So
when you began music, right?
Yeah.
Obviously representing the Volton, or usually I'd ask an artist, how does it feel, carrying the weight of the pressure and all these expectations? But what I'm going to ask you first is, was that your mindset when you began? That, Charlie, okay, Volta, we have great artists, right?
Yeah.
But we don't get as much attention as we deserve.
Is that what you think?
Yeah. Like, a lot of people would say, you guys deserve more attention.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
so
fine. You got a point.
Yeah, from that perspective, when you started, was that the mindset?
No, not really. I was just doing music.
Okay.
You get the point.
Yeah.
It's not that they are not giving us attention or have something like, make I just represent that side. Maybe where I grew up, I have to, make my people proud. You get the point.
Yeah. So do you think you guys actually get the attention, or more is deserved?
Oh yeah. When you are doing something good, the attention you get it. You understand? That's all. Yeah.
Okay.
So for me, I'm okay with everything because I'm still working and I have to go harder. My dream is far, far bigger than Ghana, Volta region.
Yeah.
Where you understand?
Because that's the thing I've always said here.
Yeah.
Accra is not just Ghana. Accra is Ghana, Volta is Ghana, Cape Coast
everywhere
is
Ghana. Yeah.
Kumasi is Ghana, Takrade is Ghana. That is what Ghana is.
Yeah.
So when these conversations come up, right, and I know you've heard them over and over, should we look past those conversations, or do we still need to have those conversations? Like, Charlie, Yeah, I'm from the Volta, but don't call me a Volta artist.
No, I'm a Ghanaian
artist.
yeah,
I'm an
a Ghanaian.
African artist,
Yes,
right?
of course. That's all. We should forget about those things and focus. You know, if the thing is good, when it's from the northern region,
Yeah.
eastern, north, upper west, upper east, you know, just, you know, let's push it. That's all. Yeah.
Is it better than before?
Now I think it's better. It's kind of better than way back. You understand? Me, I don't have problem with those things. One thing I believe is when the thing is good, it will sell itself. You understand? When you go to the market, you want to buy tomato, how they brand the tomato or how they make it look good. That's what you buy.
Yeah.
So we just have to work more to get the attention. That's all.
Oh, that's deep.
Yeah, we have to work more. Not only for Volta or not Ghana, we have to work more because if you go to the global stage,
Yeah.
problem there too.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, they're also fighting their own fights.
Yes.
Because the reason why, like, sorry to cut you, the reason why I came in, like, I was very happy what you said. I was going to ask you, do you think the media should do more? Like, you're here right now, right? We're having these conversations.
The media, they are doing their best. And they are me like this, the media supported me from day one. They are still supporting me, you understand? So, but we have to do more. Let's come to our visuals. We know they shoot video, reach some of, like, the leading the country right now, Nigeria. Our people know feel the heat that side, and I think we need more investors to put in more so that we can get good visuals.
Yeah.
I don't have record label. I have my own record label, the Republic, but I try my best to bring out a good visual. You get that thing. So that's what we have to individually. We have to work hard.
Yeah.
You know, put in more, invest more together. It's not easy. It not be beans. You understand?
Okay. Do you think the comparison is too much? Like, everything we do is compared to, like you said, Nigeria, like South
Nigeria,
Africa.
Ghana.
Yeah, like, you could do the best thing, right?
Yeah.
They have the coolest song, they say, but it still doesn't match up to. And again, I've always said we are in a very cutthroat business. It's a very, a very dicey business, right? You have to find your own feet your own way.
Yeah.
But it's like every single thing we do now, from ourselves especially, there's always that element of comparison. Somebody might say, oh, the comparison is good.
Oh, yeah, we can't stop it, and nobody can stop the comparison. Maybe it be something way back, like from our grandfathers, they do until now. But just like we have to focus more and work on ourselves.
Okay.
That's the main thing. Yeah, we have to focus more, invest more. Investors, people get money for this country, but they don't feel invest. And some, they get money, they can invest, but they don't know the business. So 1, 2, 3, they will be like, oh, they are tired. You get the point. We just have to focus more, work on our production, our visuals, and our promo. We don't get a connect. Media, maybe some people get, but me, I don't get a connect.
He got it.
I don't get. But the media, they show me love, no be today. I think like 3 years or 4 years now, I entered this Accra, doing well now. The support is always. I believe they even played my new video before I'm here now. You people played. Shout out to MS24 and all the media houses supporting something unique and something creative, something different. It not be easy. When you are different, it take time before you get there. So I'm
do you think we need more of what you're doing now? Because you're showing a lot of appreciation. There's a lot of humility in what you're saying. There's a lot of gratitude. Like, people are always going to say, or your deepest fans are going to say, Charlie, Chief One, he deserves so much more. Charlie, he's releasing the music.
The fans
but whenever you hear from Chief One, he's like, the media is doing what it's supposed to do. Do you think we need more of what you're doing?
Yeah, you have to appreciate. We have to. Maybe the thing is not good, I'll let you know. But even let me tell you, you can't even pay the media to promote you.
For real?
You can't. You can't pay for love. You understand? I'm here. I know go pay any media houses right now. Say, okay, yes, make Chief One big, this and that. No, you can't do it. It's all love, and we have to appreciate that. We are not bigger than the media. We are not better than the media. You understand? They are rather showing love. Imagine you record, you shoot dope video, you just put it out, and my video, when I put it out, a lot of media houses, they pick it, and the bloggers, they start blogging about me. Maybe I'm blessed. That's why, and I'm great. Man. Yes. And maybe I'm doing something different. I'm not doing, I don't copy. I do me. I just do me, and if you love me, you got to love me for who I am. That's all.
Do we not have enough love amongst ourselves? That's why maybe we're not there.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Not only the love, the work.
The love and the work.
Yes.
From the artist.
Yes.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Wow.
We have to work more.
So we're not working hard
You know
enough,
what I'm
or the
talking?
work, like,
We are not. No, we are not working.
For real?
Yes, global stage. We need to go
Yeah.
harder. We need to go harder. I'm not gonna lie.
Ah, bro, then there's a lot of work to be done.
Yes, we have to work. We have to work, and we should start feeling like, okay, I'm better than this. Okay, fine. And no, but when you are in Accra or artists in Accra feeling like, okay, yes, okay, they play my song here. Me, my region, if you go, they have their kind of sound. Different. Song can blow over here back to back, but when you go to my land, they have different listening.
Oh, man.
Oh yeah, you can be big here, you go to the, you go and perform, or you'll be performing and people will be looking at you.
For real.
Yes.
The songs we feel like are the biggest here, right?
Yes, you understand.
Oh,
so
man.
the same way when you go to the Northern, maybe some artists there, them way they run them. You got that in. You from here, when you get there, maybe you need those artists. Or when you are here and you enter the voter, maybe you need Chief One.
Yeah.
To run it for you.
Yeah.
So we have to work hard. When you truly blow, you know, go even think about, you know, using somebody from sub region or region before you make it. You understand? So
Bro,
that's all.
like what you're telling me is very interesting to me, and I'm actually thinking about it, like perspective, where you are and what you see. Like, oh, this thing is doing so well here, but you know, just a few hours away from you is not as big as it is. So there needs to be more of that connectedness, you know. Volta artists working with Accra artists, working with Northern artists, right?
Oh yeah, it's necessary. Not only Volta artists or
all
the region and even
right?
Ghana, our biggest artists, they have to, you know, tap in.
Do you see Accra artists in Volta as much? Performing?
No.
Promoting?
No.
Oh man.
No. When you enter the Volta region, it's like you are in another world.
Yeah.
You're in because the kind of sounds you hear.
Yeah.
You not even. They don't even have time for those sounds, you know.
Yeah.
We have to work more. Maybe Accra artists, when you drop a song, maybe you have to enter the Volta region and do media rounds as well.
Yeah, but we don't get that. Yeah.
Yes. I don't even think it's the language.
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so. So we just have to work more, not only the regional, but on the global stage.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean,
because we they suffer over there. Somebody big for you, but if you go that place, maybe kind of like he they beg. You understand? Somebody big for you, but when you see that video, he make like he I don't do that, you know.
Man.
I don't do that.
Chief One don't do that.
I do my own, you know. And with time, anybody where they bubble, it mean we go follow.
Yeah.
That be the earth. It be so with anybody where they pop up today, they bubble today. It mean where them go follow. When the moment you go down, they not go follow you again. So we just have to focus more on the work and the promo, the link, and all those, a lot. Yeah. We have to do a lot. You know?
I mean, you know, when we're having these conversations, right, I'm talking to artists from Kumasi, from the north, from Volta, from... Again, it's everywhere, right? To some extent, it breaks my heart that the conversation centers on, oh, so you're in Kumasi. How's Kumasi doing? When are you guys going to come to Accra? Like, because if an artist from here went to the States, to ATL, to the UK, he would say he's from Ghana.
Oh, yeah.
Right? He wouldn't just say, no.
I'm from
of
Kumasi,
course, like he would say, oh, yeah, I represent Kumasi. But the first thing that would come up...
You can't represent Kumasi there. You are from Ghana.
The crazy thing for me is when we're having conversations here, because of how the conversation is always directed between ourselves, amongst brothers, right? It's always like, oh, you are here, but you're not here. But that shouldn't be the case. And again, I'm looking at from your perspective, if I was doing this interview in the Volta and someone from Accra came there, it would be the same thing.
Same thing,
but it shouldn't be so.
No.
I mean, hopefully, we can get past it, but as you're saying, maybe
it's not too late. We just have
it's
to
definitely
learn
not too late, right?
And be humble and go far.
And be humble and go far. Okay, so like I said, with the way this conversation started, even though it shouldn't be that, do you carry that weight on your shoulders as representing your people, just the same way you would go to the UK and you would carry Ghana? Yeah. Do you think about that, or have you escaped that mindset of, I'm not representing just the Volta region?
I'm a Ghanaian, and I'm from Volta. Automatically, I'm representing Volta and Ghana.
That's it.
That's all.
It's very simple, right?
Yeah, that's all. I represent the Volta because that's where I'm from. my language. I speak their language. Anywhere, me, I go start to speak everywhere now. If
Charlie, you can say something here.
if you don't know me, anywhere I pop up, I speak every first. Because
and that's Ghana.
That's Ghana. I'm just promoting a Ghanaian language.
Yeah, which we should do more.
Yes,
bro. Shall I have to big you up for that?
So
man?
yes, and I'm a Ghanaian. Even if I go to US, anywhere, I'll speak the airway. If you don't understand before, I'll switch to your the English. Be our own. Who speak well, who no speak well, no be my problem.
Yeah. Charlie, tell me something to say in airway, please.
Like hey.
What's that? Like now I want to say
How
something.
Far?
How far?
Yeah,
Leke. So now anytime you come, I'm going to say Leke.
Hey,
so,
how far you go? Yeah.
How far they go? Leke, hey, man.
We got a beautiful language.
Yeah,
you do.
Sound,
so
I mean, I am grateful to you for adding your voice to that.
Yeah.
And it's incredible to see how your journey has been, how you growth. Are you surprised by your growth and how well you're doing? Like you said, you're blessed, right?
Yes, of course.
But when you sit back and you like take a view of it.
Like some time ago, that I never enter year like that. I was feeling like, no, I'm doing something dope, but they are no.
Okay.
But now, I understand everything. It's time. It's the growth there inside. If you grow, you go to see things how you supposed they. If you are, that's when you are smart. If you are not smart, you will grow full. you see that thing. So it reached level I know say no. Make I just take my time and be doing my things. I don't rush things. That's all.
What has been your biggest lesson so far in the music industry? That you probably didn't carry along before, like you're saying.
Biggest lesson.
Yeah. Have you learned that is really sticking with you, or that you go by?
Just be humble. That's all.
Okay.
Because tomorrow you can pop up, next day you drop down. So you just have to be humble and mind your business. That's all.
Okay. Now there's being humble and there's saying the truth.
Yes.
One thing about Chief One is you're very honest.
Oh yeah. I would say
like you speak your mind on. Yeah. And the thing about you speaking your mind is, I don't know if you've thought about this, but again, you're not speaking just for yourself. You're speaking for the young girl that wants to make music. You're speaking for the streets. You're speaking for the young boy that wants to follow their dreams, that cannot follow their dreams. Yeah. Even not musically, anybody in any industry that's struggling, right? Something came up recently, and a lot of people agreed with you in reference to the TGMAs.
Oh, okay, yeah, the TGMAs.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
A lot of your fans, like I said, were not happy with the fact that you were not nominated, right? And you spoke on it.
Yeah, because that year, or is it last year?
Yeah.
Toyota, it's a big song. And I shot dope video for it. And so I was just expecting at least they have to Afrobeat of the song of the year and video of the year, because a lot went in. If you watch the video, you know that, yes, this guy, they really put in a lot. But it don't happen like that. It's their business. I have my business. They have their business. And I think they are just shaping Ghana music to do better. Maybe I'm not up to what their expectation, but I still my song is bigger than some of the songs they nominated. So maybe I don't have problem with TG or VG, any of these things, but I'm cool. We are still working. Next year, we'll see what happens again. Last, I'm making my fans happy. That's the main thing. That's all. So I don't have problem with them.
Yeah. So when a situation happened like that, before we get to your new song, did you like sit back and say, maybe I shouldn't have said this? Because again, you have a very strong voice. Yeah. And a lot of people follow and listen to you.
Me, I don't regret anything. That's the reason why if I want to talk, I think like 500 times before I talk one. So, I'm a reserved person.
You are.
Yes,
right?
So that's all. So maybe next year, this year I dropped like 3 songs already with one dope video already, and next month Chiffon still drop. So I'm working, and I think I'm working for Ghana because I'm promoting Ghanaian language. So if they can't recognize something like this, maybe with time it will be too late. Yes. Okay. That's all. Yeah. That's what I do.
Thank you for adding your voice to that, man, because, of course, it's a music platform that represents artists.
Yes.
So artists are at will to express how they feel.
About how it goes on. Beef, nothing.
Yeah, no beef.
I don't have time to beef. I don't have time to beef.
Bro.
For where you are? My interviewer.
Did you say Leke?
My interviewer. Should I interview you?
I don't know what to say, bro. I'm lost, bro. Okay. How do you not get discouraged? Again, generally, with everything that goes on, because we're in a music space, people say what they say, the fans, there's expectations.
Yeah, in life, when you know where you are going, nothing will shake you. That's all.
Where's Chief One
I know
going?
myself. Just want to be one of the best from Africa representing globally. That's all.
And your work rate actually supports what you're saying, because this year, released 3 songs.
3 songs.
First one, January, you dropped a new song.
Yeah.
Right after that, you dropped a song.
Another one.
And now, yeah, the one we're going to get to.
Tomorrow,
maybe you got to drop another one. Okay.
All.
Why did you not hesitate? Because New Year, you know, I'm sure you and your team, you sit down, you plan, okay, let's wait a couple of months, let's see what's going to drop. Or, I mean, it's a business, as much as we love to do what we do. I want to know, why did you drop immediately the year began?
You know, I got a fan base, like the Republic, and always they want more. You understand? They want more. So I can drop a song now and it will be banging, but maybe with time, my people will be, you know,
yearning for more.
Another one,
okay.
Yeah. So, and to keep my people active, I have to give them. I'm here, I drop song like 2 type of song. In Volta region, I know the kind of songs they enjoy. And the same way, I'm targeting the global market.
Okay.
Yes, so I have to drop this one and drop the other one to them so that I know what
you have to be very calculated.
Yes, man. I know what they want and what they love. So, and the same way, I can't just be Volta or something. I have to target the global market too. So I know what to drop. That's all.
Have your day one fans ever been like, no, we want the old Chief One, right?
Oh yeah,
because those conversations
a lot of
Chief
people.
One,
yes, if in case I drop Dubai Boy, a lot of people they complain. No, they want to. Even someone called the manager, hey, go and delete that song.
For real?
Ah yeah.
Holy smoke! I mean, the team is right there. Like that's incredible.
Go and delete that song before it's too late. But I know what I'm doing. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Dubai Boy is for the global market. If you blow, it's just like it dies. If you blow, it will help us all. The same vote. I'm using the same language out there, but just like I do play with it differently.
Okay,
that's all.
Have those comments ever made you decide to release a different song than what you are planning? Like, maybe the people are asking for this a bit too much.
That's why I was
you
like,
know what you're going to do.
My people, I know their taste.
Okay.
If I drop my, it no be them own. Me, myself, I know say, this one I know say, it no be them own. So they can say anything. Next one, I'll give them their own.
You give them what they want. Okay, that's good. So, what was the first song you dropped this year?
I think It Go Better.
It Go Better?
Yeah,
okay.
It Go Better.
Then not too long after that.
No video for that.
Visual.
No I dropped Dubai Boy, no visual. The visual come though, but not. And I featured Fancy Gadam, the current song.
Yes.
Yeah.
So as you were saying, you dropped 2 songs.
Yeah.
You let
3 songs with.
2 songs before this third one.
Yeah.
So you saw how that was doing. Bam.
And I have to drop this one.
What made you decide like, this is that moment, man? Because it's not just the song, the name attached to it, Chief One, Fancy Gadam, 2 very huge fan bases.
Yes.
This time of the year, just 2 weeks ago.
Yeah,
why?
That's the video official.
Yeah, the official video.
Audio came out like 2 months or 1 month ago.
Yeah. Why now, man?
I think it's the connect. You know, Fancy be my friend, my guy, my bro. So he featured me first, and I featured him too on this one. So I'll be like, no. This song is kind of my people song. Although I even added the global level, I mixed it. And I added Fancy Gadam. You know, Fancy is, he is ruling that yard too.
Yeah.
Like also, my people love me too. The same way they love him. I think for them, they feel they talk, say, king. But me, I know they do the king. They love. And they do. So, just feel like, make I drop this one. And after we drop the song, it's a blast. They play it here in Accra. My biggest song from our side right now and biggest song from the north.
Bro, that's crazy.
Yeah,
Did you know what's going to do that? Because like you're saying, you and the team plan these things, right?
Yeah.
So for a song like this, and I'm sure when I don't know how you guys do, but usually for artists, they listen to a certain song and they're like, I need this particular guy on the song. Did you guys anticipate this? How well the song is doing?
I recorded the song down. And with time, I just feel like make an art somebody new on it.
Yeah.
Since Fancy is my friend, my brother man, he said, Fancy, what's up? Put this. Already he featured me.
Yeah.
Understand? So it's just like,
two kings. Even though he's going to say it's love, he's a king.
For inside, I feel people feel they talk the king from inside. So I see. So that's all.
Bro, like.
That's all.
I'm proud of what you're doing, man. Like,
Thank you, boss.
and even like
you are the energy. You people with the fuel me.
Thank you.
Without
Thank
you people,
you.
I'm
Thank
nobody.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. And we're going to continue to fuel you just the way you fuel us with the music.
Yes.
Okay, so now let's enjoy the music. Chief One Fancy Garden. Do you want to introduce it? I want you to introduce it.
I'll do that for you.
In Ewe.
In Ewe?
Yeah.
No, make I do for English.
For
then
English.
I go do for
Then I
Ewe.
will do. Okay, no problem, man.
This is my camera, right?
Yeah, bro.
What's up, my people? I go by the name Chief One, aka What Is That? You all go check out my new, or you're about to see my new video. Now I know featuring Fancy Garden. Dope visual. Don't change it. You understand? Like, hey, you told me nyawe. You play Fancy Garden for her for video. I do. Me have well me probably feel like. You got change it from what is that?
Bro, you must have known the song was a banger before you released it. Like,
Yeah.
no lies, no jokes. You must have known. You must have known.
A big song.
Now this song is called Now I Know.
Now I know.
What's it about? Like, what's the song about? Because me, I was just dancing to it.
Yeah, you feel the bounce, then the rhythm, but you know they understand.
Yeah, what's it about?
Me myself, I know say most of them they don't love me. You understand? You tell me about Kojo, me myself, I know say Kojo don't love me. You tell me about Domotoro. Me myself, I know say it's all face love. You understand? So they just spoil my name Gong Gong. Gong Gong na Yoruba like Gong Gong.
Okay.
Okwe Gakoki voting Gong Gong. They go around, they talk things about me. You had to do my about Chingong Gong. They want to chew me like chewing gum.
Oh.
Me not give them time because I'm done gone. That one you understand.
Oh yeah, I'm gone.
So that's
nice
all.
wordplay.
That's all.
Is that
My pocket
how,
came simply means now I see them all.
Now you see them all.
Yeah.
Is that how you felt when you were recording this song, or are you just talking to society and how
Just
we should
society.
handle ourselves?
A lot of people are going through all this
Yeah.
thing. That's all. People will laugh and be like, but they don't love you.
Yeah.
They are doing it different. That's all.
Yeah. So now you carry yourself differently.
Yeah.
Especially being in such a public space.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all.
But that's a deep song, bro.
Oh yeah.
A deep song that you can vibe to.
With.
Yeah.
That's always my
like,
song.
I'm like, just
It
dance it.
Yeah,
What
you
talking
dance,
about?
but there's a message there.
Yeah.
That's all.
I just want to say, one thing I love about you is the fact that as much as you speak about going global and going international, which is every artist's dream,
Yeah.
you never lose sight of where you're from.
Oh yeah. Because they made me.
Yes.
Yeah. So.
That's why myself and you, right?
Yeah.
We're always able to have these conversations. That's why you're open and honest the way you are. Because your perspective is never blinded.
Yeah.
Like, you know what you want, you know where you're going,
Yeah.
you present your people, you present Ghana as a whole, you present the language you speak, you present your fans, and I'm just grateful for what you're doing. Please don't stop.
Thank you. Thank you
Please
for the
keep going.
energy.
Yeah,
this will be
bro.
the first time they tell me this.
Yeah, and I'm going to keep telling you, bro,
Yeah.
keep going,
Thanks for the
keep
energy.
doing your thing, keep being as honest as you are.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of you, I'm very grateful. And just like I've said that as a fan, what do you now want to tell the fans, the people who support you and appreciate you?
Shout out to MS24 for the love and support. I can't pay for this, you understand. God bless everybody supporting good music from Ghana, not only from Chief One. God bless everybody supporting Chief One music from day one. I love you all. Let's keep it locked. Keep it banging.
Yeah.
Don't change it.
Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah, bro, I see you've got some new tattoos, though.
Oh no, this one did long time before.
For real, when you were you wearing long sleeves?
Maybe. Yeah, then times I wear long
Yeah, I
sleeves.
think so.
This thing did like 5 years or 7
man,
years.
so you're going to get some more?
I don't know yet.
Chief, thank you so much for coming through. So the song's on all platforms.
Everywhere.
People can buy it,
global.
they can get it.
May they go buy for Apple Music.
Okay.
Make money come.
Yeah, make money come. Let's get the views up. Because I just Shazammed it. It's got over 11K.
11,000
Yeah,
Shazam.
and it's going.
It's a big song.
Yeah, it's going, man. It's going.
song.
Do you have any shout-outs before you leave?
Shout out to Ghana. Shout out to Africa.
Nice.
Shout out to everybody. I love you all.
Nice,
What
nice,
is
nice.
that?
And we love you too. Please keep supporting my brother and all the artists that come through, all the artists representing Ghana, representing Africa, doing their thing the best way they know how. And I've said this and I'm going to always say MX24 is your home, just like this, my brother's home. We're going to keep this song on rotation. It breaks my heart that he has to leave, but he's working, so I do have to let him go.
Yes.
I have some more guests coming through. We'll be right back. Enjoy this.
Don't give them time, cause I'm done gone.